Would you like to accompany me, Sergio? Two beers, please.
Don't order any more peanuts. You're already fatter than an elephant. If you laugh at my bow tie, you're laughing at me. And if you laugh at me, I assure you, for the rest of your life, you'll remember March 17th, but you don't know why that is yet. Isn't the anticipation just thrilling? You were very brave out there. And that's admirable. Very commendable.
Just let me leave, please.
You seemed very brave earlier, but now you have to demonstrate that bravery. Let's have a look at those balls. Hang in there. Hang in there. And tell me, what do you prefer? Death. Look at me. Or impotence. Sometimes you're forced to make tough decisions in your life. Mine, what do I do with the asshole who's making fun of my bow tie? Yours? Is it even worth living without a penis?
He's taking a long time.
He's beating the shit out of that fat guy in the bathroom.
I haven't heard any punches or any other noise. Real chaos, my dear Sergio.
Makes no noise.
Real chaos, my dear Sergio.
Makes no noise.